Georgia. You gonna come help me take care of the chickens? Hi, Lola May. Did you come visit us? Oh, little Georgia. See, this fence is no fun, is it? No, no fun. Hi, Georgia. Hi, Georgia. Don't come near this fence. Wait till I'm on the other side. Oh, snuggle wuggles. Oh, snuggle wuggles. Hi, snuggle wuggles. You like your snuggle wuggles? Hi, Lola. What you doing, Penny? What you doing, Lila? You checking on the meaties? Hey, layer hens. Hey, corgis. Hi. Hi. Have a nice breakfast. We're having a nice bath. I'll wash that down. See, do we have any eggs? Yeah, you enjoying your bath? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we like our bath. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's our husband and wife. Oh, what you doing in there, Big Chungus? What you doing in there, Big Chungus? Where are your eggs? Where's everybody's eggs? Oh, we got a few in there. Hi, Big Chungus. You guys need more hay? Are you guys boycotting? I usually get a bunch in there. Oh, I got one. You guys are boycotting, aren't you? Okay, okay. Maybe I'll put some pine needles in there. That would work just as good. Got plenty for free. All right, say goodbye. Say goodbye, Charlies. Say goodbye. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Bye. 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 Say goodbye. 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 Uh-huh. Goodbye. You guys are busy cleaning.